वो मेरा भाई है।
साथ में है।
भैया है, भाई है छोटा।
Preliminary information is there, but I cannot disclose. Why? Because the inquiry is going on. I wanted to find out all the details. Then only I can comment anything. Otherwise, if I comment something, it will take another turn. So I don't want to make any comments at this juncture. Definitely, we will see whatever concerns are there, whatever lapses are there, whatever regulation has to be implemented. We will examine everything. We will take a serious view on those incidents. And at the same time, I have told my people to give 1 lakh for deceased family, death family, and injured family, 50,000 for immediate expenditure. Next few days, they cannot go for work or they cannot do anything. That is why I have told my people to give contingency fund from collector to these deceased families 1 lakh and 50,000. And at the same time, I have told my people 1 crore rupees for death families, 10 lakhs rupees major that accident and limited whatever injuries are there for them also 5 lakh rupees, and medical thing government will take care everything. So they need not worry about their medical treatment. 1 crore is compensation, 10 lakhs and 5 lakhs whoever is injured, for them also we are going to give compensation for them. And their kids also, if some family is having any kids to school, if they wanted to join in government residential school, I have told my people to examine all those cases individual, and we are there to provide education for their families.
Who has to take care of this? Someone has to take care. Someone has to take a decision on the spot. Now the issue is that compensation. Who has to take a final decision? So government किससे बात करना, कौन किससे negotiate करना, how to conclude, how to negotiate. We should have some action plan from our side and from their side. Jacob, have you decided anything to this compensation? What is your action plan for that? You tell me, that's okay. What is your this thing? So you know some of the accidents in some other places taken place and how much they have given, or there are 3 verticals. One is death, the other one is serious injury persons who are not eligible, who are not capable to do further anything. Third one is limited injuries. These 3 categories are there. You have to decide how much you are going to pay. Any insurance is there? So this is the time to act with humanity. So this is not, you cannot see as an accident. No, company has to think in a way. So more than 24 hours over. No, where is your management MD? Who is the right person? He has to come. No, the major accident taken place in your premises. He has to come. He has to see. He has to visit deceased persons or who is alive. So he cannot avoid the situation. No, he has to come. Ask him to come and meet our district minister and labor and employment minister.
Approximately 40 unskilled, sir.
49. So how many people have died skilled labor?
I have the total list only right now.
Okay,
Maybe
you
a
have to
little bit
find
of
out.
changed. Yes, we'll
How
be taking
many
out,
skilled, how many
unskilled, who
unskilled?
don't have insurance, who have insurance, all that will be segregated. So we have a list of some 43 right now. We will go at, sir. We are not leaving anywhere. And 3 hospitals, we have 24 hours manning. We have given blanket sanctions. Just take any decision, spend any money that is required, even to cart people from
What
any
about
place.
treatment, this thing, hospital expenditure? Have you given any?
We've given that order. I get that order yesterday only. No questions asked. Just go. Don't have to take any approval from anybody.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.